The hotel is nicely located nearby Congress House bus stop, which is only about one stop from Mirabell Palace, and not so far away from Old Town, 2 to 3 stops. If you like, you can walk from the hotel to Old Town, which should take not more than 10 to 15 minutes. The hotel restaurant is also nice. The food is good. I would definitely recommend this hotel. Location was quite centralized. Most of the highlights of the city was within walking distance. Upon check-in, the staff will provide you with the city map and recommendations on where to visit. The hotel was very well maintained. Breakfast spread was excellent, however a bit on the pricey side. Firstly, the staff at reception were excellent, always attentive, helpful, and full of local knowledge, especially Renee. Location was excellent and a pleasant 5 to 10 minute walk into Old Town, and better to be staying away from the crowds there. Room size was very large and more than needed. Well recommended if you prefer modern quality to old world. We liked the Crowne Plaza the best among all the hotels we stayed at during our recent trip to Europe. The hotel was very clean and the staff were very helpful. We were upgraded to a suite since we had a 2-year-old as well. The hotel is very close to Mirabell Gardens and is only a 10-minute walk to the town. Street parking was easy as well, and the weekends are free all over Salzburg. We spent 3 nights in this great hotel. It is located perfectly, within walking distance of the old city of Salzburg and right next to the plaza where all the bus tours around Salzburg and into the country start. The concierge staff were fantastic and really helped us to get the best experience from our short stay. Highly recommend the half-day tour to Hallstatt if you have time. The hotel is in a great location, a 15-minute walk from the train station, and a 15-minute walk, which passes through Mirabell Gardens, to Old Town. Our room was very spacious, the bathroom was newly remodeled, and the beds were super comfortable, even the sofa bed that my daughter slept on. Very friendly and helpful staff, gave us great recommendations on restaurants and places to visit. Overall, this hotel was decent. I would have preferred a nicer workout room. It was nice that there were a couple of restaurants in the hotel, as I did not want to have to leave the hotel a couple of nights. Staff came by way too early to restock the mini bar and they did not knock before entering. It was nice to have wireless internet. It was walking distance to Old Town, which was nice. Elegant, beautiful, classy, just like the city of Salzburg. 1. Only 7 to 10 minutes walk to train station. 2. About 15 to 20 minutes walk to Old Town. 3. May use the printer for free. 4. Room is clean and comfy. Location of hotel is suitable to have a walk around Salzburg. Price is value for money. Distance to Old Town is between the reach by walking distance. It is a quaint district, good walking distance to a brunch place called Fingerlos. Within the hotel, there is a classy IMLAUER SKY Bar and Restaurant, where we can dine and drink conveniently. The check-in was quick and informative of attractions and transportation tips. Stay was comfy, very clean, free internet, TV in many languages, quiet. I would go there again next time I go to Salzburg. We were very happy with our choice of hotel. The staff were very friendly, the room large and comfortable, and the location was fantastic. After a busy day sightseeing, we were pleased to relax outdoors in the beautiful beer garden. We are staying this hotel for 2 days. The staff here named Juan is very friendly. He give us lots of useful information. The hotel breakfast is nice. The bed is so comfortable and clean, make us feel like home. I will definitely come back again. It was a straightforward choice for us. We stayed here at a competitive rate. The rooms were clean and tidy, the staff were helpful. Large hotels like this are best used by business travelers. I would try to find something a little more rustic if I was to go back on holiday again. Still no complaints.